Welcome to this week's edition of AI, Machine Learning, and Digital Health Updates by Lucid Quest. Let's dive right into the latest news. Korea's Digital Medical Products Act, effective January 2025, eases standalone software as a medical device approvals by codifying tailored guidelines and insurance fee caps. OpenAI's new reasoning models, O3 and O4 Mini, offer state-of-the-art performance in coding, math, science, and vision, with built-in tool use for search, Python, file analysis, and image reasoning. Google DeepMind is hiring a research scientist to study post-AGI trajectories, machine consciousness, economics, law, health, and education, to inform next-generation AI policy. OpenAI released a practical guide for building autonomous large language model agents, recommending its agents' software development kit, modular prompts, and multi-layered guardrails for safe production systems. A Singapore team's spatial-temporal LSTM uses 468 facial keypoints to detect pain levels in real time with a high accuracy, enabling objective assessment in clinical and telehealth settings. EchoNet Liver applies deep learning to routine echocardiograms to screen for cirrhosis and steatosis, flagging liver disease opportunistically. FuzzyDDI uses fuzzy set logic for robust drug-drug interaction queries, outperforming binary models under noisy or incomplete data while providing transparent reasoning paths. A LUVAC clustering network analysis of 30,334 irritable bowel disease patients maps musculoskeletal, neuropsychiatric, and vascular disease communities via an interactive disease sim web app for holistic care insights. Fine-tuned BERT, GPT-4/3.5, and Llama 2 models extract seizure frequency from epilepsy reports, yielding standardized records and SUDEP7 risk scores for integrated workflows. Biostate AI and Accelerated Cure Project will sequence thousands of MS samples with BIRT technology and train transformer models to predict progression and therapy response. GenFlow Biosciences partners with Eureka Labs to apply AI on preclinical genomic datasets, optimizing design and outcome prediction for its SIRT6 gene therapy program GF1002. LG CNS and Google Cloud will deploy Gemini and Vertex AI across Asia and the Americas, spanning manufacturing, finance, retail, telecom, and healthcare use cases like genome analysis and protein prediction. ChatGPT suggested tethered cord syndrome after 17 misdiagnoses, leading to a confirmed diagnosis and successful surgery, illustrating AI's potential in rare disease workflows. Sanofi struck a $1.85 billion deal for Arendal Labs' AI-designed bispecifics targeting autoimmune and irritable bowel disease indications, including $125 million upfront. Skin Analytics secured £15 million in Series B funding to expand its CE-marked DERM AI skin cancer screener, already discharged 40% of urgent NHS referrals at 99.8% accuracy. Oregon State's Radiant chatbot ingests rare disease literature to answer clinicians' queries with ranked sources, accelerating diagnostic research through global collaboration. Click Therapeutics gained FDA de novo clearance for CT132, its AI-driven digital therapeutic that cut monthly migraine days in pivotal trials and delivers interventions via smartphone. EcoHealth launched its Core 500 digital stethoscope and Eco Plus AI membership in the UK, enabling murmur, AFib, bradycardia, and tachycardia detection with integrated auscultation and ECG. TytoCare's Tyto Insights Suite 1 FDA clearance for wheezes, crackles, and rhonchi detection using AI trained on 1.8 million lung sounds, boosting virtual respiratory assessments. A noise-adapted AI applied to single-lead ECGs predicts heart failure risk with 5-9 times higher hazard across Yale, UK Biobank, and ELSA Brazil cohorts, enabling community-scale screening. Zoom Workplace for Frontline adds agentic AI to auto-generate chat groups, real-time feeds, push-to-talk, and shift handover summaries, integrating with workforce management platforms. Abu Dhabi's Health Data and Digital Science Authority is launching a Silicon Valley for AI and Healthcare Innovation Hub with SRI International and Vantage Bridge to incubate startups across the Meta region. OpenAI is prototyping an X-style social network inside ChatGPT, image generation, AI-curated feeds, and viral post tools, with external feedback guiding a standalone or integrated launch. Stay ahead in AI and healthcare research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.